So in Module 1, we are going to take a look at how portfolios work, particularly as it applies to our district. So you can see the module here is meant to take approximately 1 hour, and we are going to start with our overview and to-do list to give us kind of an idea of what to expect. So I know we talked in the introduction about how each module has this overview with a little summary over what the module covers and a nice little to-do list. So you'll see that we're going to start with a survey that talks about your expertise and how you're already using portfolios in your classroom currently, whether that's digital or on paper and binders. We're going to explore and identify expectations and guidelines for student data tracking that are already laid out for our district. We'll investigate how to move from paper to digital and some of the benefits of doing this. And then we're going to do a little bit of brainstorming to give you some time to kind of process and think about how this might look for you in your implementation. So then that brings us then to our next. And you can see here is the expertise survey. So it is a discussion. And so you'll just click here on this reply. And if you are able to, we'd love for you to actually respond to another person with just a thought or encouragement. Just kind of having some discourse in this. After you've completed the discussion board, you're going to move on then to why we have portfolios and what are some of the positives that we have laid out, maybe from previous trainings or from your own experience. So this is a sound clip, so if you'll click on that, it will give you just a little bit of information, and then it kind of gives you a broad overview. After that, you are going to see that we'll talk about the current guidelines in our district. So there's a little video going over those and some links and references for you, and some templates down here as well. Now this is the heart of the content for this module. So we'll talk about some of the benefits of going digital. So this video goes into some explicit detail as to what makes digital portfolios more flexible than doing it with paper. You'll notice that there are some arrows here, and these are actually drop downs with additional content that you'll want to definitely check out. There are templates listed in here. And then we'll talk about implementation. So these are also linked. And down here is more explicit detail on how to create a Google assignment. So make sure you check out this page at length. And then our final activity for Module 1 is going to be a brainstorming activity. So this is not a discussion board. This is an assignment that you'll actually click up here where it says Start Assignment. And you're going to consider what kind of digital format you might want to have students use to track their data, how often you'll have them track, and how can you build it into your classroom routine. So you'll respond to this with either a video or an audio recording of your response. So to do so, you'll just simply click on Start Assignment and then click on Record or Upload Media. And again, this can be an audio message if you don't really want to have your face showing, or you can do a video response. And this is just to me, the instructor. So this is not a discussion board. Nobody else will see it or view it. So that way, if you're feeling shy, you don't have to worry about that. Once you've completed all of these tasks, then you will be done with Module 1.